everybody, this is Hans. This is another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got a Cup Star variety. This came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Sapporo Ichiban with their Cup Star Miso. That's the thing. So we'll see how that is today. I've got it all set up here. And yeah, I'll show you this in a second. Let's drop some boiling water into the line and let her rip. And there's that line. And there we go. So yeah, this Cup Star range, they've got these chicks that do the Cup Star stuff. They're part of a mega girl group. Okay, so they're like, we'll have like a boy band here, or like there's Spice Girls. There's like what, 3, 4 of them. In Japan and Korea, they have groups that have like, there's, what is it, AKB48? There's 48 chicks in that group. Yeah. And I don't know anything about this, but here is one that's in this. I want to say it's like Nonezuka 48, or what does it say here? It's got a little fake autograph on it and a bunch of pairs of glasses. Yeah, 46. Okay. And also, they're not calling it X, they're calling it Twitter. So in this stage, they're tweets still. They're not excretions. But yeah, there's a QR code there. I don't know if you'd be able to scan that. Try to be perfectly still. So yeah, maybe you can scan that if you want. I'm guessing it'll have like a video or take you to their Twitter account. That's probably, from what it's looking like, it'll do. But yeah, kind of a neat thing. A lot of celebrity tie-ins with instant noodle varieties over in Asia, that's for sure. Especially in South Korea and Japan. Usually the ones that I've noticed in Malaysia are ones where the celebrity is more like a celebrity chef. But there was another one, the Mommy Chef Cup Curry Laksa. That one had, God, I can't remember his name. Nice guy though. I chatted with him a little bit, a couple times. But I think he's like an actor or something. Anyways, cool. And yeah, so it's still Monday. Miles is home again sick. He's not feeling good. That's a crummy deal. This cough and cold junk has just been hanging on too much. It's time for it to go by the wayside, I think, is the correct terminology. It just should go. We don't need any more sick. Kids don't need to be sick. But yeah, you can definitely tell that it's running them down. Yeah. So I'm here for now, and then my wife's gonna get home, and then she's gonna get off early, and then she's gonna take him to the doctor, which is a good idea. I took him to the doctor, and she was like mad. I'm like, why? Because they should have done like an RSV test and COVID and all that stuff, but they didn't. They were like, oh, just do this and this. They seemed very rushed, I guess. But, yeah. Well, let's give this a try. The noodle is nice and thin. Cheers. I don't know what I think about that noodle, to be honest. What have we here? A small bit. Come on, bit. Bits and bytes. Here's our little tiny bit. Hydrated well. That's pleasant. And indeed an apt pairing for miso. We have a little bit of corn. So I'll give that a try. Also, well hydrated. We're doing pretty good on this one. There's our broth. Nice looking color. Whoops. Yeah, that's pretty good. I will give it a, yeah, not bad. I generally don't recreationally eat cups of noodles. But if I were to, I wouldn't be put off by that one. I know, not exactly like a screaming declaration of, oh my god, it's wonderful, but it's really not bad. Okay, there's just far too much noodles, you can't see the broth. So let's get rid of some of the noodles. Give it a comb over. All right. So we're gonna add. How are we gonna add? Yeah, we are gonna add. We're gonna add our slice of chashu. It's funny because I didn't realize that the last one I did had chashu in it. I thought it was the next one I'm gonna do did. So I added chashu to it. Oh wait. Don't I need chashu for the next one too. Well, I can take out another slice. Or I can reuse that one. That might be the best route. Yes, I reuse chashu. From time to time. I know, some of you might frown upon that, but I really don't care. It's just for presentation, really. Some spring onion. Who's this big sucker? I chopped up my nurutamaki this morning. Freshly chopped up. Yeah. But yeah, and all in all, for a little miso cup, this is pretty good. I'm not gonna steer you the wrong way on that. A quick fix for a rumbling tummy. Oh, biscuits. All right, watch it go. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, that wasn't a bad little miso cup. The next one we got is another miso variety. This is another Sapporo Ichiban as well. This is their miso bowl, but I think it's a shrimp version. It's more red. Yeah. So That'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye.